everyone. Welcome back to this channel. In today's video, you'll see how foam for spring mattresses is made in large quantities using highly effective technology. Don't forget to keep following and supporting this channel by pressing the subscribe button and the like button. So let's get started. The process of making mattress foam begins with a special liquid known as polyurethane, which is a versatile polymer used in various foam products. This liquid is a mixture of chemicals, including polyols and diisocyanates, which react together to create the foam. When these chemicals are combined, they undergo a reaction that generates heat, causing the liquid to expand rapidly. This expansion is what eventually forms the foam that will be used in mattresses. After the foam has fully expanded and hardened, it is allowed to cure to ensure that the foam is stable and durable. Once cured, the large foam blocks are cut into specific sized pieces that, when viewed, resemble a very large slice of bread. In some cases, instead of cutting the foam into smaller pieces, manufacturers choose to leave the foam in its expanded, long form. This uncut foam is often used for products where continuous, seamless pieces are required, such as in roll mattresses or large foam sheets. The foam can also be colored during the manufacturing process. To achieve this, color pigments are added to the liquid polyurethane mixture before it begins to expand. These pigments blend uniformly with the foam as it rises, resulting in a consistent color throughout the material. The coloring process is not just for aesthetic purposes. It can also be used to differentiate various types of foam used in mattress construction. In the process of slicing long foam that has hardened, precision and consistency are key. The foam, after being left to cure and solidify, is laid out on a flat surface where it can be sliced into smaller, manageable pieces. The slicing is done using a specialized slicing knife that is mounted on a rail system. This rail allows the knife to move smoothly along the length of the foam, ensuring that each cut is straight and uniform. The slicing knife appears to run automatically due to the rail system, but it is actually guided by the operators who sit beside it. These operators are responsible for monitoring the cutting process, making adjustments as needed, and ensuring that the foam is being sliced to the correct thickness. Once the foam is sliced into thin sheets, it is typically rolled up for easier handling and transportation within the facility. The thin foam that has been wrapped is versatile and serves multiple purposes in the manufacturing process. One of its primary uses is as a comfort layer in foam mattresses. The process of making a spring foam mattress starts with creating the spring frame, a crucial component that provides the foundational support for the mattress. This frame is crafted using high-quality wire, chosen for its strength and durability. The wire is carefully measured and cut to the necessary lengths, ensuring uniformity and consistency. These coils are then connected in a specific arrangement, often using a method known as continuous coil or open coil formation, depending on the design of the mattress. This step ensures that the springs not only provide support but also distribute weight evenly across the mattress, reducing pressure points and enhancing comfort. After the springs are formed, they are assembled into the mattress frame. This frame consists of a border wire that runs around the perimeter of the springs, maintaining the shape and structure of the mattress. In another facility, the process of making foam lining for spring mattresses using recycled foam begins with collecting and sorting used foam materials. These materials often come from old mattresses, cushions, or other foam products that are no longer usable. After the foam is sorted, it is shredded into small, manageable pieces. This shredding process breaks down the foam into more uniform sizes, making it easier to clean and work with in the subsequent stages. After being cleaned, the shredded foam is ready to be reprocessed into new foam sheets. The foam pieces are mixed with a binding agent, which helps hold the pieces together and form a cohesive material. This mixture is then compressed and molded into thin sheets using specialized machinery. The process of making a pillow top on a spring foam mattress begins with the creation of the pillow top itself, which is designed to add an extra layer of comfort and luxury. The pillow top is typically composed of additional foam or fiber fill, carefully layered and shaped to create a plush, cushiony surface. The pillow top is branded with a name or logo using embroidery. The embroidery is typically done with specialized machines that can create detailed designs with high precision. To secure the cover to the pillow top, a large sewing machine is used, which can handle the thickness and size of the materials involved. The fabric is carefully sewn around the edges of the pillow top, ensuring it is tightly and evenly secured, with no loose or uneven areas. Assembling a spring foam mattress into a ready-to-use product involves a very meticulous process to ensure quality and durability. The assembly begins with preparing the core components of the mattress, the spring unit and foam layers. The spring unit, which provides the primary support structure, is first inspected for any defects or inconsistencies. Once verified, it is placed on a sturdy foundation, ready to be combined with other materials. The next step involves adding the foam layers to the spring unit. These foam layers, selected based on their density and firmness, are carefully cut to match the dimensions of the spring unit. The foam is then arranged in layers, starting with a base layer that sits directly on top of the springs. This base layer is designed to provide initial support and stability. Additional foam layers are added on top to enhance comfort and cushioning, creating a balanced feel that combines support with softness. Once the foam layers are in place, the entire assembly is covered with a fabric cover. The fabric is chosen for its durability and comfort, and it is usually a breathable material that helps regulate temperature. The cover is carefully stretched over the foam layers and securely attached to the edges of the spring unit. This step is crucial as it ensures that the foam stays in place and provides a smooth, seamless surface for the mattress. After the mattress passes all quality inspections, it is ready for packaging and distribution. The mattress is shipped to retailers or directly to customers, ready to provide a comfortable and supportive sleep experience.